Wow, that's very lifelike.
Hey, Chuck, we're putting together a team. Come on, everybody, let's work those booties. I'm in.
Launch me exactly the same way you did for Red. I wasn't ready!
Chuck, is that you?
This is the house of horror!
Hey, Chuck, it's Red. Zip on down here. Hey, Chuck's mom, can your son come out to play?
All of this does not just happen on its own.
Santa pee-pee.
Drinks on me, guys!
Hey, where's everybody going?
Last one to the beach is right now!
Let's go!
Excuse me!
What?
Again?
Chuck, I don't know if you can help. We gotta figure out a way to get into that room. Anyone have any bright ideas? You were gonna pay for that! Just happened.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were saying?
Huh? Hey, Jerry! Yeah? Come here. Look at this.
Says everything's normal.
Jerry, are you seeing this?
I don't see it.